Hey guys, good morning, good evening, wherever you are in the world, and welcome to a very exciting vlog. I will be taking you through my very first week of law school. If you have missed my previous video, or my two previous videos, in my monthly reset, I announced that I have decided to go to law school. In my previous video, I had done a preparation on how I'm preparing for law school. And then in this video, I'm going to be taking you through the actual first week of law school. So today it is Monday, it's currently 6 p.m. I just got back from work. Just to give you guys some context, I do currently work full-time. I got back from office around 5:30, and then I gave myself about 30 minutes to just sit, relax, breathe, recoup, and now it's 6 o'clock and I have an hour before class starts. So given that I am working full-time, I obviously can't attend class during like work hours, so a lot of my classes are actually online in their evening classes. So on Monday I'll have class from 7 to 9, Tuesday I'll have class from 6 to 9, and then Wednesday I'll have class again from 7 to 9. So I have an hour before class, so I'm just going to do a little bit of the remaining reading, get myself ready, and then at 7 p.m. we will log in for our very first class session. So let's get into it. Now 8:30 p.m. and the first lecture is done. It was meant to finish at 9, but I think maybe because it was the first lecture they didn't have too much to go through, so we're done. It was good. It wasn't like anything too intense. It was just introduction, getting to know the course outline, getting to know expectations, like literally an introduction to studying law, expectations, what we'll be covering, assessments and things like that. So it was a good little intro. I am so tired. I am so tired. I think, yeah, coming straight from work and after having commuted and then coming straight into uni stuff is definitely going to be a bit taxing. But anyway, we got to do what we got to do. I'm going to take about a 15-minute break, and then after that I'm going to come back and continue on with my readings and notes that I had started earlier that I haven't finished. And I should wrap up that at 10 o'clock, and then at 10 o'clock I'm going to start my bedtime routine and hopefully be asleep by 10:45 because I need to be up tomorrow morning 5 a.m. to go to the gym, work, the whole regular routine. I'm too tired to continue for today, so I will check in with you guys tomorrow for day 2 of uni. Oh my goodness, I am so cooked. It is now 9 p.m. on Tuesday. I just finished my 3-hour tutorial for criminal law. It was so good. I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed some of the discussions that we were having, but my goodness, I am so tired. Like, I think I just severely underestimated or didn't realize how mentally exhausting it'll be to work a full day and then immediately go straight into class. So this is like day 2 of work, then go straight to class. And tomorrow morning I'm gonna go again to the gym in the morning, and I'm gonna be in office tomorrow morning, so I'm gonna need to catch a train, go to work, finish work at 4:30, come back home, and as soon as I get back home I need to go into another tutorial. So yeah, that definitely is mentally exhausting, but I'm really enjoying the content. Like, I know it's only week 1, but I am enjoying the content of law much more than I enjoyed the content of my undergrad. So really enjoying it. I'm excited. Today I had planned to do a little bit more readings after the tutorial, but I am just way too tired. So I'm just going to spend the next 30 minutes just chilling, and then I'm going to be in bed by 10 o'clock. So, and hopefully fall asleep by 10:30 so that I can be up tomorrow at 5 a.m. to go to the gym and go to work. So that's day 2 of law school. It is Wednesday evening at 6:30 p.m. I'm just coming back from work, and it's just been such a long day. Work was all right. Work was good. But then when it came time to leave work, so I left work at 4:30, but Sydney trains were just not working this afternoon. Oh, it was just absolute chaos. Massive queues, people just being stranded. Ended up taking me 2 hours to get home today. So I finished work at 4:30 and I'm just getting home now at 6:30. And my class starts at 7. And in this class, I also have an assessment that I'm doing today. It's not like a graded assessment, but it's like you need to do it. Luckily got home in time, so I'm just gonna take the next 30 minutes off. Like I'm not even gonna do any work or anything because I am just so brain dead and so tired from work and just getting home. So I'm gonna relax for like the next, well now probably 20 minutes. And then at 7 o'clock, gonna log on to class, do the assessment, do the class, and then I will check in with you guys at 9 p.m. after class.
Right. So you need to just find a rhythm that works for you so that when you get to the end of the semester,
so I just completed my first assessment on day 3 of uni. Oh my god, it was so much harder than I thought. Like I was working till the very last minute. It's not graded, but it was just hard. Like it was really hard. I'm not worried about passing it, passing or failing it, but I don't think I did as well as I anticipated it to go. What's done is done. What's submitted is submitted. I can't change the past. It's 9 o'clock now. Tomorrow I've got work, but tomorrow I'm not doing any uni stuff. So I'm probably just going to take like a 15-minute break, then come back and do some readings and some notes. So that's what's up. P.m. and I finished reading the chapters of the textbook that I needed to read, but I didn't end up making the notes for them. I probably could keep on going, but I don't want to because I don't want to completely ruin my sleep schedule. So I'm gonna go to bed now, which is pretty much 12:20, and I'll be asleep in maybe 15 minutes or so for probably a 6 a.m. or 6:30 a.m. wake up tomorrow. I am 100% on top of all the learning material, all the activities, all the reading and everything that I needed to do for week 1, which is great because today's a Wednesday and I've essentially covered everything for week 1, so I can now actually start working on week 2 content. So that's pretty good. So if I can keep that momentum going, I think I should be okay. I'll probably check in with you guys on Saturday because tomorrow's Thursday, not gonna study. Friday, not gonna do any uni work, but Saturday will be a very big uni day. Hey guys, good morning and welcome to Saturday morning. It is currently about 7:30 a.m. and I have just gotten ready to go to the gym. So as previously mentioned, Thursday, Friday didn't do any studying or any uni work, and I'm kind of now starting to feel slightly overwhelmed. Like I can feel taking the time off has like made me think, oh my gosh, I'm behind. I'm not behind, I'm okay. But I just know that my weekends are going to be very heavy uni days, particularly, Saturdays. And they also need to be my YouTube days because I'm not getting a lot of time to film or edit or do any of that kind of stuff during the week. So my weekends are just going to either be YouTube or uni days and not much social stuff happening, but that's all right. Anyway, gonna go to the gym now. It's kind of around 7:30, and also just for transparency purposes, Thursday, Friday, I did not wake up at 5 a.m. I had put that in my planner to do that. Didn't do that yesterday. I think I got out of bed at like 8:30. Thursday, I think I got out of bed at like 7, and this morning I only got out of bed at like 6:30. So just to keep things transparent, that I'm not waking up at like 5:30 every morning, although it is something that I'm trying to work toward. Anyway, gonna go to the gym now. Then when I come back from the gym, obviously gonna shower, do a little morning routine, and then afterwards I've got to clean my apartment, do a deep clean of my apartment. Saturdays are like my heavy clean days. So for instance, it's when I change my linen, it's when I clean my bathrooms, do like all the bigger clean stuff that I don't typically do during the weekdays. After that is when we're gonna do YouTube and uni stuff. For YouTube, I want to script one sit down video and film it, and then I want to edit it tomorrow to go live tomorrow. And then for uni, I've just got to a ton of readings and a ton of work to do for week 2 and to just finish up some little stuff for week 1. So that's what our days are looking like today. I also don't want to just work inside the house. I'll probably go down to the library or go down to one of my local cafes. Anyway, let's go work out. After workout, we'll clean the apartment and then I will check in with you guys. Currently 6 o'clock and I've pretty much been at my desk since I got back. I had so yeah, I think I went to the cafe at around like 11:30, did some work there for about an hour to an hour and a half, came back, had lunch and chilled for like 45 minutes, and then went back to my desk and I've been at my desk since then. So now it's 6 o'clock and I'm not even halfway through the things that I needed to get to. Like I keep underestimating the amount of work that I need to do. I think, oh, this reading's only going to take me like half an hour. This is only going to take me an hour to cover. It's ending up taking me way more than that. So yeah, I'm quite not where I want to be, but that's all right. So I've decided I was meant to go do Uber tonight. I didn't even do it yesterday as well. I was meant to go do it tonight, but it's just not going to happen. I just pretty much going to spend the rest of the evening doing uni stuff, so just going to give myself a bit of a break at the moment. I'm just going to go down to Coles and grab some groceries. So I want to get a few things for dinner tonight, and then I also want to buy my meal preps for next week. So obviously it is going to be Sunday tomorrow, and Sundays when I do my meal preps because I do not have time to cook during the week, and I also don't have time to make my lunch when I go to work. So meal preps for me just work. This whole week I've just been eating the lunch boxes that I prepared last Sunday. It's amazing, saves me time, minimizes me wasting money on buying food, and it also makes sure that I'm eating clean. Also, I'm feeling a bit tired, so I don't think I'm gonna vlog anymore of Saturday. Also, I didn't end up filming today because I haven't had time, so I'm gonna have to film tomorrow morning before church. Yeah. Hey guys, good morning, good morning. It is now Sunday, the final and last day of the week. Oh my goodness, I don't think I've ever done a weekly vlog before, and these things just take so much effort. They take so much time. But anyway, we finally made it to Sunday. It is now about 9:15 and I need to get dressed and leave for church. So woke up this morning around 5:30, went to the gym, did a decent workout. I was so tired because I only got like about 5 hours of sleep, so definitely was really tired. But anyway, went to the gym, came back, showered, made myself some breakfast, and then I have spent the morning essentially filming a video that needs to go live today. So that's what I was doing over there. The video, would you have seen it by now? Yes, you would have seen it by now. It is the 5 ways to level up your life. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you check that video after you finish this one. Yeah, finished filming, now gonna quickly get dressed, go to church, and then when I go to church, after church, because church is like a few minutes away from my parents' house, I'm gonna go see my family for a little bit, and then when I come back, which is most likely gonna be like by the time church is finished, I drive. It's like nearly an hour's drive, so it's quite far away as well. by the time I come back, it's going to be like 4 o'clock, and then I'm just going to spend the rest of the evening just doing uni work. So that's the plan for today. It is about 9 p.m. and I have just finished editing and uploading a YouTube video. I was like rushing to the finish line. So obviously went to church, then went to my parents' home, chilled there for a little bit. Ended up staying for much longer than I'd planned. I'd planned on leaving at 3, but then we just got so caught up in conversation and just enjoyed connecting, because I usually just see them on Sundays these days. Effectively for the last 3 hours, I've just been editing, and that's actually a very quick edit. Like, edits typically take me like maybe like 6 hours depending on the video. I guess I didn't add a lot of b-roll or anything like that, so it was just a sit down video, so those are much easier to edit. It is 9 o'clock now, or just a bit after 9. I haven't done any uni work and I need to do a whole lot of criminal law stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the next 30 minutes off, just because I've been go since I woke up this morning at 5:30. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to have some dinner, because I haven't had some dinner. So I'm just going to heat up some pre-prepared meals, sit down, watch some Suits for a little bit, and then I will come back to my desk and see how much of criminal law I can push. My state of mind at the moment. It is currently 2 a.m. and I am gonna call it a night. I didn't manage to finish all the readings, all the notes that I needed to do. I've listened to the lecture for week 2, so I'm fully aware of like the contents that should be coming up, but I just need to make my notes, and that's the only thing that's left to do. So I'm just gonna try to prioritize that across Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, so that come Thursday I've covered all the content for week 2. I'll probably finish off this vlog somewhere else because I'm just so tired and need to call it a night. So yeah.